Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Ganesh. Today we are talking about this data replication. So this data replications we are using to reduce our latency. So whenever you are accessing your data from geographical location from one region to another region, so it will access very fast. So while uploading my data in my one location, so it will access immediately on my another location using this data replication. So while doing this demonstration, first you need to enable your versioning. So just click on this one bucket which you have and just click on versioning. Here you need to enable this option, just save it. Yeah, here it is asking for no data available. Okay, first we need to select. I'm creating one bucket having the name ion 1 and creating under this California location. Click on next. Here is the option versioning. You can enable it from this option also, and I'm just clicking on next block. I need to acknowledge it, and I'm not going to publicly access. Go to next and create it. Now my bucket is created, ion 1. Now I am going to upload one data under this. This image I am going to upload. Just click on upload. Now I am going to create another bucket having the name Ganesh 1. Under another region I am going to create it under Mumbai region I am going to create, or Ohio region. You can select any region for this demonstration. Click on next. Bucket name is already exists, so we need to specify some unique name and giving the name that is Ganesh 1 2 3 4 5, and same region I need to select. Okay, it is already exists. Then 6 is already exists. Then giving this name might be 2011 2012. This bucket name should be unique in the global region. Enable this versioning. Check the other options. This time I'm not. I just untick it and acknowledge it. Just click on next. Create bucket. So now I have created two buckets. So one is under this California and second is under this Ohio. So under this ion I am just uploading one data. That image I have uploaded. So just you can check either this image is visible or not under this Ohio region. So here you will not reflect that image. Okay. So to upload particular images or any data, and you will reflect under this any other region, so you need to specify this data replication. So there is the option under this management. When you click under this bucket, so go under this management and click on the replication. There is the add rule option. Just click on it, and you need to specify their entire bucket you want to data replicate, or you want to specify any particular bucket. So I am going to replicate my entire data. Here it is asking for this replication criteria, replication object encrypted. If suppose you want to encrypt your data, then you can, while replicating it will encrypt it. So now I am not selecting that option. Just you need to select your bucket Here is the option destination. It is asking for this destination. So what is my destination? So ION 1 is my destination, right? So under this destination we can store our data. So there is some storage classes. So if suppose you want to store your data under some different classes, you can select this option. So here you will reflect all these S3 options where you want to store your data, right? So you can select it. So now I am not selecting this option, it will detect by default. If you want to object ownership, so you can make some ownership using this object ownership. Replication time control setting, you can set it using this option. I'm just clicking on next. Here if you want to assign some role or any existing role, you can specify. I am creating new role having the name data replication from one from one region to another. Status, always you need to specify enable. Click on next. Now here you can see this source is having this Ohio region and this is my destination, that is California. So whenever we are uploading data from Ohio region to California, data will reflect, but from California to Ohio it will not reflect, right? So just save this setting and just try to upload data from this Ohio to California. And now you can check. So first I am going under this Ohio region and trying to upload some data, and we will check either this data will reflect or not under this another region. So I am going to upload my text file here. Upload. This file is now uploaded. Now you can check either this file is accessible or not under this IAM bucket, which is in California. So now you will get, first I need to refresh it. Still this data is not reflected. Yeah, now this data is reflected under this California region. So this is the method you can use to upload your data from one region to another region. If suppose I want to replicate data from California to Ohio, so we will try this option also. Either it is working or not, but it is not working because from source to destination only it works. I am going to create one text file, test, and just I am going to upload it. Yeah, now this file is uploaded under this California region. Now you can check it under this Ohio region. This is my Ohio region. So either this data is reflected or not, you need to cross check. It will not reflect it because only source to destination it will reflect. So this is the method you can apply for transferring your data, or you can keep your data from one location to another location, and using this data replication you will definitely minimize your latency. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, and remove all this bucket if you have created.